I was kind of in between a couple jobs, kind of in between some career choices, not really sure what I was going to do. With some of the school programs that were out there, I decided that I wanted to work outdoors, and this was a great choice for me. I always had like a good hands-on work experience. I did from anything from roofing to construction work, anything like that. So it was an easy transition to an extent. Learning the knots and actually essentially learning how to climb trees was completely new to me. So when I first started the course, it was just a complete mind boggle and not really knowing what I was getting myself into. But once I got the handle on it, it's been a great experience. When I first started here, I was actually about 40 pounds heavier than I am right now. So getting up in the tip top of the tree was definitely a learning curve experience. Trying to figure out the strengths of the limbs and stuff like that, what can actually hold my weight. That was definitely pretty fearful. But I've always been like pretty fearless guy, from extreme sports to roofing and playing football my entire life and stuff like that. So it's definitely been a good experience. I would say it's like an untouched niche. Like this industry is really new and up and coming. So for anybody that wants to basically have an opportunity to take an industry into your own hands and kind of make it what you want it to be, this is a great course to take, as well as the hiring rate. Like right out of college, I think 80 or 90% of our class pretty much is guaranteed a job. So if you're looking to get right into the workforce and make some money, this is a great course to take.